We have two washers by the pad, then the bracket on the bicycle in the middle, and then we have 3 or 4 other washers. Let's put the washer one by one. So I suggest you get the thicker one like this first. So it has a flat face and a round face, flat face first. Then you get one of these smaller and you just put the round face against the other round face, so this can rotate against each other. Then you have the bracket of the bicycle, and then you get the other one with a round face. The small one is just like the last one here, and you put flat face against the bracket, a round face at the top. And this guy also goes round face against round face and flat at the top. So basically these two last one will also be able to rotate against each other. So round face on round face and round face on round face. So there is kind of rotating motion on both of these sets. In the middle, the bracket of the bicycle. And then at the top, sometimes you may find a thin washer. You just put it in there so you can tighten it with this piece. Notice the top of the piece has the hex Allen key. The bottom goes against the washer. And that's the whole history here. Now I do suggest you put this, so you'll have kind of these two guys are identical. These two guys, there's one small, one thick. And I suggest you put the thick one at the bottom here and the thinner one at the top. This will kind of keep the bracket, the bracket will stay more away from the well and it's going to give you more traction, more pressure on the well, so it's going to brake a little better.